Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to know that is about s squared. So in this situation we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Because we have s squared, so I will put number 2 go to the left. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2u. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have number 1. And we can simplify like this. The square root we change by u. S we change by this one. The s we change by this one. So number 2 I will put this one cone here. U and u we have u square. Next we need to expand this one. So u square multiplied by this one. Now we have the formula in here. So for example, we put number 6 gone here. So 6 plus 1 we have number 7. And now we have like this. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.